In this video, I'll guide you through how to refund in GoDaddy. We'll walk through what you need to check first, how to properly cancel or delete your product, and then how to actually request the refund. Follow along step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly what to do to avoid unnecessary charges and get your money back when it's eligible. First, you need to verify that your purchase is actually eligible for a refund. GoDaddy has strict timelines, and this is where most people get stuck. Open the email receipt you received when you first bought the product. On that receipt, you'll see the purchase date and whether it's an annual or monthly plan. If it's an annual plan, you generally have 30 days from the purchase date to request a refund. For monthly plans, the window is usually much shorter, around 48 hours. Take a moment to compare today's date to the date on your receipt. If you're outside that window, GoDaddy will typically deny the refund even if you cancel the product. So it's important to check this before you do anything else. Once you've confirmed that you're within the refund period, your next step is to delete or cancel the product you want refunded. GoDaddy requires that the service be cancelled before they'll process a refund. To do this, sign into your GoDaddy account and head to the renewals and billing page. This is where all of your active products and services are listed. Find the product you want a refund for and select the checkbox next to it. Now, you'll see a couple of options. If you only want to stop future charges, but you're okay keeping the product for the rest of the paid period, choose Cancel Renewal. That will prevent it from renewing when it expires, but it won't trigger a refund right now. If you want your money back for the current term and you're within the refund window, you need to choose Delete Product instead. Before you delete anything, pause and think about what that product is doing for you. If it's a domain name, deleting it means you lose ownership immediately and someone else could register it. If it's hosting for a website like a personal project or a thesis site, make sure you've backed up all of your files, databases, and any important content. Once the product is deleted, that data is typically gone. After you've deleted the product you want refunded, the final step is to contact a GoDaddy guide. You can't request refunds by email, so you'll need to use one of their live support options. The easiest way is to go to the GoDaddy Contact Us page on their website. From there, you can start a live chat session or find other available support channels in your region. When you reach a support agent, clearly explain that you've deleted the product, you're within the refund eligibility window based on your receipt, and you'd like to request a refund. Having your order number handy from your email receipt will make this faster. The agent will review your account, confirm the cancellation, and let you know if the refund can be processed and how long it may take to appear back in your payment method. And that's it. By checking your eligibility first, properly deleting the product, and then contacting GoDaddy support through live chat or another live channel, you'll give yourself the best chance of getting your refund approved.